Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of stock number 9716. An oldie but a goodie, an Isuzu Trooper. I believe this girl is a 1999. It's a limited edition. We got this thing out of Texas because we have automotive ADHD, and this is what we do. Let's go ahead and fire this thing up. 222,000 miles, running good. Bad transmission. This isn't my car, so I don't know what to say. It's an Isuzu Trooper and it's black. This car is black. It's got this goofy ass rear door setup that I don't know if I love or hate. I think it's a little bit of both. There's Darren. What's up, D? Well, how do you close this damn thing? Alright, we'll deal with that in a minute here because I'm a moron. Like I said, a lot of good parts on this. 3.5 under the hood. If you need a 3.5 for a Trooper, there cannot be that many on eBay. I might be your only option. She bumping though. Mobile receiver cassette deck. Oh no crap, this thing's got Nakamichi, whatever. So it's got a pretty fancy stereo. Heated seats in it. Power folding mirrors that don't fully want to work. Driver's side's working that way, passenger that way. Man, this thing's cool. Oh, she burns oil. She got a valve cover leak. I can smell it. All right, well, power windows work. $1 million question, what about the air? Not that it matters, but we gotta know. Cold air. With that 3.5 rev. Like I said, transmission's bad, so we're not going to be able to test that. Heated mirror switch, just all sorts of goofy JDM things. It's really not that comfortable though. I'm sitting in it, it's kind of like a picnic chair at your aunt's house. That is flipping cool though. We've got a digital compass, barometric pressure sensor. I don't know what you call it. It's not an altimeter. Yeah. Alright guys, I've done my thing. Like I said, this has got a good running 3.5. Tons of nice parts on it. I just don't know a whole lot about it because the guy that bought it went home early. So, with that being said, that was going to wrap up the J&J Auto Wrecking test video, stock number 9715. If you were looking for any of the parts you may have seen here, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching.